In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create stock charts like these in Google Sheets in just seconds, showing the performance of these tickers over the past year. With Google Sheets, it's really easy to pull in the current stock price. You just use the Google Finance function, reference the ticker, and select that you want to pull in the price. But what about creating the chart? For that, we're going to use the Google Finance function, but also put that within the Sparkline function. So in Google Sheets, there's a function called Sparkline. And for this, we need to specify the data that we're going to use. And that's where the Google Finance function comes into play. I'm going to use the Google Finance function here to specify that ticker symbol in A2 for Apple. And the attribute is going to be the price, but I want to pull in the past 365 days. So for my start date, I'm going to use the today function, open and close parentheses, and subtract 365. So I'm going to go back 365 days, and my end date is going to be today. Open and close again, close that out. And now it's created that chart for me based on the past 365 days. Obviously, you can adjust this based on whatever range you want to look at, but it's really easy now to create charts within seconds on the fly. No need to do anything else but use the Sparkline function and Google Finance.